Here's how to change the logo of your WordPress website while using the Divi theme. So it's very easy to change the logo when working with the Divi theme. As you can see here, this is my WordPress website, and the Divi logo has been added here by default. In order to change this logo, all you need to do is log into your WP admin panel. Now navigate to Divi and click on Theme Options in the menu. Here, under General Settings, you can find an option to add the logo to your site. Click on Upload to change the logo to a new image or an existing one in the media library. You can also upload one as per your need. Once selected, click on Set as a Logo. Now don't forget to save the changes. Let's move back to the front and check the changes. On refreshing the page, you can see the logo has changed here. This is how easy it is to change the logo of your WordPress website while using the Divi theme. Now, you can also learn some amazing Elementor tricks and tips. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.